Welcome to Vietnam Step by Step, your ultimate travel companion through the heart of Southeast Asia. Here, we uncover authentic experiences, real prices, and the hidden beauty that makes Vietnam one of the most fascinating destinations on Earth. Today, we're diving into the question every traveler asks: how far can your money truly go in Vietnam? Let's put this into perspective. In the UK, one tank of fuel costs around £74. That's about 2.6 million Vietnam dong. Now imagine skipping that fuel and spending it here instead. With 2.6 million Vietnam dong, you could enjoy 104 local beers with friends, get a custom-tailored suit or dress in Hoi An, host a lavish dinner for 11 people, or treat yourself to 8 relaxing massages. Or if you love shopping, that's enough to fill a suitcase with handmade crafts, silk, coffee, and local delicacies. In Vietnam, money doesn't just go far, it creates memories you'll never forget. Here's the golden question: is 1,000 Vietnam dong per day, about $40 USD, enough for a traveler? The short answer: yes, absolutely. Here's how. Budget travelers eating street food can live on $3 to $5 per day. Moderate spenders, mixing street food and restaurants, spend $6 to $10 per day. Even adding cocktails, BBQ dinners, or activities, most travelers don't exceed $40 per day. One traveler even tried to spend the full million dong in a day and still had money left after golfing, boating, and cocktails by the lake. In Vietnam, $40 feels like $150 anywhere else. To unlock Vietnam's value, you must travel like a local. This country runs on 2 wheels, with over 70 million motorbikes on the road. Use Grab, Vietnam's version of Uber. Short rides start around 20,000 Vietnam dong, under $1. Or hop on a XC a traditional motorbike taxi, usually 30,000 Vietnam dong, $1.30, for a short trip. Feeling nostalgic? Try a cyclo, a classic 3-wheel rickshaw that moves at the pace of the city's rhythm. For long distances, sleeper buses and trains are incredibly cheap, about $15 to $26 for a 9 to 10-hour trip. Every ride here is part of the adventure, whether you're weaving through Hanoi traffic or gliding past rice fields in the countryside. Vietnam is heaven for food lovers, and the street food here is as affordable as it is unforgettable. Most dishes cost between 15,000 and 80,000 Vietnam dong, $0.60 to $3.20. That's less than a coffee back home, yet packed with flavors that define this country. Must-tries include pho, $1 or $2, bún chả, $1, 2 Cs, $2.40, banh mi, or 60 yen, $1.20, Vietnam coffee, $1, bias de hoi, fresh beer, just 20, $0.60. Eat on the street, sit on tiny plastic stools, and feel the heartbeat of Vietnam in every bite. We took $100 USD, about 2.5 million Vietnam dong, to Vietnam's tech markets, and here's what we got. A retro game console with 400 built-in games, wireless earbuds and over-ear headphones by Hoco, a Bluetooth speaker, a portable gaming device, and a vintage radio. 6 gadgets, all functional, all under $100. Vietnam's markets prove that value doesn't mean cheap, it means smart. Beer lovers, rejoice! A Saigon Special costs just $0.60, while Heineken is under $0.80. Even craft beers are between 150 cc and $6, depending on the bar. And accommodation? You'll be amazed. Nhi, Royal Lotus Da Nang, 4-star, about $25 night. Citadines Marina Halong, $39 night, full apartment with kitchen. DLG Hotel Da Nang, $47 night, beachfront luxury. Where else can you enjoy ocean views and hotel breakfasts for under $50? Don't leave Vietnam without these authentic keepsakes. Non La, conical hat, $1 and toys. Silk scarves, $6 $22. Ao O Dai, traditional dress, $20 $100. Dong Ho folk paintings, from a few dollars. Vietnam coffee, $5 or $15. Coconut candy, $2 or $6. Rice wine, $1 or $2. Each item holds a story. D. A piece of Vietnam's warmth and creativity to bring back home. In Vietnam, value isn't just about saving money, it's about what your money unlocks. From $0.50 in beers to 40 or 4-star hotels, this country offers world-class experiences at local prices. You'll meet people who welcome you like family, share meals with you like old friends, and remind you that true richness lies in connection, not currency. So pack light, come curious, and take your journey step by step. La Damut Amule. Right here in Vietnam, step by step. Music rises with cinematic ending theme. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because your next great adventure in Vietnam is just one step away.